Can you really bank with Patriot Bank if you live miles away from Connecticut or New York? Thinking face. That's a great question, and one we get asked a lot. You see, Patriot Bank is a well-known name in the tri-state area, with physical branches mostly concentrated in Connecticut and a spot in Scarsdale, New York. So, if you're sitting in California, Texas, or Florida, why would you even consider it? And, more importantly, can you? The short answer, yes, you can. The good news is that for many of their accounts, Patriot Bank explicitly states you can open an account online from wherever you might be, not just CT or New York. They are an FDIC-insured, national bank that offers online account opening for their personal banking services. So, eligibility generally isn't a problem for U.S. residents. The key question then becomes, should you? And that depends entirely on what you prioritize in a bank. The out-of-state pro checklist, why it might work. 1. Digital focus. Like many modern banks, Patriot Bank offers robust online and mobile banking. This means you can handle most day-to-day transactions, transfers, bill pay, mobile check deposits, right from your phone or computer. For remote customers, this is essential. 2. ATM rebates ATM sign. If you live out of state, you'll never see a Patriot Bank ATM. But don't worry. Many of their checking accounts, like the Patriot checking account or the Star Banking checking account, offer rebates for non-Patriot ATM fees. This is a huge benefit for non-local customers because it essentially turns any ATM into a no-fee ATM up to a certain limit or even unlimited, depending on the account. 3. Competitive rates and features. They offer a variety of accounts, some of which feature competitive interest rates or bonus rates when linked to other deposit products like their CDs. If you're looking for a specific product feature that Patriot offers, say, the benefits of their Star Banking package, and you can meet the minimum balance requirements remotely, it could be a great fit. The out-of-state con checklist, what to consider. 1. Branch access is non-existent. This is the big one. If you ever need in-person services, like a notary, specific types of wire transfers, or just prefer sitting down with a banker, you're out of luck. For most people, this isn't an issue anymore, but it's a real limit to remember. 2. Potential maintenance fees. Like many regional banks, some of their accounts, such as the standard Patriot checking, require an average daily balance, often $1,000, or a direct deposit to avoid a monthly maintenance fee. If you can't maintain that balance or set up a direct deposit, those fees will eat into your savings faster than a local bank with truly free checking. Always read the fine print. 3. Local service nuance. While Patriot Bank offers national-level digital service, keep in mind they are primarily a community bank. This usually means they excel at personalized service for their local customers. If you're remote, you'll still get great customer service, but you won't benefit from the local community focus or branch-specific specials. The verdict balance scale. If you're a digital-first banker who rarely, if ever, needs a physical branch, and you can comfortably meet the requirements to waive maintenance fees, then yes, opening a Patriot Bank account is a viable option even if you don't live in CT or New York. The ATM rebates alone make it a strong candidate for an everyday checking account. However, if you value having a physical location nearby, often deal with cash, or